If young people are equal, our voices would be stronger.
Hi, my name is Jessica. Neighbour.
My name is Ryan Williams.
My name is Archie.
My name's Ashley, and this is Amber.
I'm Caitlin Britton and I'm 17 years old.
10 years old.
I'm 15 years old.
3 years old. What things make you really happy? Playing football. My friend Rebel. My dog. Dancing.
Performing.
My cat.
Doing sports.
Harry Styles. Games.
Music.
My friends. And my family. My family. My family. What's your favourite way to spend your free time? I like playing in volleyball with my friends. Drawing is really fun in my opinion. I love I can do whatever I want on the page. So it's I can let my imagination run wild.
He enjoys music, he enjoys lights and sensory things.
Spending time with my family and probably hanging around with my friends.
She loves rattles, bubbles.
Sometimes if I'm really tired, I like to sleep along my bed. What's most important to you and your baby?
Inclusion.
And a sense of sort of family and friendship.
Knowing that we have the professionals there to help us and guide us.
If you were in charge for the day, what would you like to do? If I was in charge for the day, that'd be really good.
I think I'd want to change everyone to be equal.
I would try and stop all the bad stuff that's going on.
I would change the stereotypes about us being troublemakers. Some young people are troublemakers, but that's probably because they want to be seen. But not everyone's like that because they've actually had the chance to be seen.
What future aspirations do you hold?
I want to go into uni. It's always been a dream of mine.
I think I want to cook when I'm older.
That in the future he'll still be able to get all the help that he needs.
I aim to be the youngest fireman in Wales. The reason I want to be a firefighter is to help other people.
I just want to be the best man we can be. But for him, I just want him to be a happy and healthy baby.
If you could give advice to adults about how to talk to kids, what would you say? Okay, hold on. Gotta think. Think. I would say the adults to try and get to know the children more so they understand their feelings.
I think, to be honest, professional support, I think they just need to listen to parents.
The adults should be approachable because we want to feel heard.
Be nice to people. Don't try and do harmful things, try and do good things for the world.
One thing I would say to the adults in my life is probably a thank you. Yeah, just for being there.
So now that you've heard our stories,
You've seen our lives.
now ask yourself,
Are you listening?
because this isn't just a film,
It represents our system,
our hearts.
our future, our turn.
So listen to our voices,
Listen.
listen to us.
Listen to us.
Our voice matters.
Our voice matters.
My life is my favourite thing.